Well, greetings. We're here live at Graphics Canada, and I am thrilled to have a conversation with one of our newest customers, Godin Productions. In fact, Godin Productions is one of our first point of sale customer in the Greater Toronto area, and one of the first to acquire our new KM1E. And we'd love to hear all about maybe why you bought it, and just give us a go on it.
Yeah, we after doing a lot of research, we're a 37-year-old business that has been a fully brokeraged model, and we are now entering manufacturing. We started with some large format equipment. We did a lot of research, and we settled on the KM1 to start in-housing a lot of our small format business. Our machine is going to be the first in Canada with a lot of the newer features, which we're excited about. And we're really excited to get it up and running and see what we can do with this amazing piece of equipment.
What made you think or choose the technology, and why Konica Minolta, and what was some of the problems you were trying to solve for?
Sure. So again, we did a lot of research. I went to Drupa, Print United, and we really thought the KM1 was the right machine for us based on our need state. We do a lot of different substrates and a lot of different materials, synthetics, clings, things like that. And that's what I think really steered us towards the KM1. That seemed to be the most versatile machine for us. The size format was critical. Being able to do that full B2 size sheet, and the run speed as well. We love that it's got a feed and delivery system that's similar to a traditional litho press.
So, at Konica Minolta, we have a purpose, and our purpose is to work with businesses like yourselves, not only to go in and put a piece of technology on the floor, but the technology and the partnership to grow. What are some of the things that you're looking for, not only once we install the technology, but from a post-sales perspective?
We're going to be looking to Konica Minolta to support us, to help us in our growth. We want to get to a point where we're running 2 full shifts on the machine. We want to get to a point where we have a second KM1. All of those things are going to take time, but the sooner we can get there, the better. We have a lot of business that we can in-house. And again, I think the KM1 is going to allow us, with the Konica Minolta team that we've worked with, to really ramp up quickly, which is critical for us. So we're really looking forward to working with Konica Minolta to, again, help us build that side of our business, enter different product streams that we'll offer to our clients that we haven't in the past. I think not only will the KM1 serve us well today, but it's going to allow us to grow into a bigger organization that offers more to our clients, and we're doing it efficiently and effectively, and again, really excited to get this process started.
Wonderful. Well, Godin Productions, welcome to the Konica Minolta family.
We're really excited.
Congratulations. Thank you. We
Thanks,
appreciate
man.
it.